I'm going to show you how to make this BT21 machine just for fun or as a decoration. So you'll be needing a small box. I'm going to make this vending machine a mini one, and I'm just using the sample box from Innisfree. You're also going to need a tube, and I made my own tube using index cards and tape. Then you're going to stab the tube into the box. Just kidding. What you actually want to do is cut a hole in the box and make sure the tube fits nice and snugly into the box, but make sure it has enough room to spin. For this next part, I'm using a mechanism by EHC Gear on YouTube. The way I made mine didn't work out too well, so I'll leave a link in the description box for you guys to check out his tutorial. I don't really know how to explain what I'm doing, but basically I'm just trying to make this like rubber band mechanism so when I spin it, it'll like spin back to its original place by itself. And because I used index cards, the tube kept bending, so I added more support by gluing down popsicle sticks. This next part is important. You want to make sure to glue down a piece of cardboard next to your tube. If you don't, your squishies will just fall through the gap, so make sure that there's no gap for these squishies to fall. I kind of wanted this vending machine to look like a gumball machine, so I used an ornament for the top. Surprisingly, the ornament fit perfectly into the vending machine and it doesn't fall out. And that's it for this tutorial. If you're wondering, I used acrylic paint to paint my vending machine.